Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and you probably found this video because you're looking into Monat, or Monet some people say, but I'm going to say Monat. Maybe you're looking into a Monat review, or maybe you're looking to see if Monat is any type of a scam. Alright, so just before we get started, full disclosure, I am not involved in Monat, but I have been involved in a lot of MLMs and I've been marketing for over 5 years, so I understand what works and what doesn't work online when it comes to these types of products. So that's why I can give you my informed decisions, because I've been doing this a while, so I can look at this, and which I have done. I've researched this product or this industry or this system, and so I'm going to give you my informed decision on it, so you can then decide what you want to do yourself. It's just to help you have a little bit more of an insight. Alright, so this is the website of Monat here. This is the website, and obviously what they specialize in, Monat, is hair products to make your hair more beautiful, more luscious. Yes, and that being the case, the target market is obviously going to be women, and we can see here 3 beautiful women with lovely, luscious hair, because that is their main selling point. Now, a plus for them, they've only been around, they got founded in 2014, and by 2016 they'd already done over $41 million in sales, and they've won awards as well. So you can see this is a massive growing industry. A lot of people are involved in this industry, and it is growing. So if it's a niche that suits whatever you're doing, it's a you're in the right place, sort of thing. You're in the right place to use products like this to move forward. So what makes them different from anyone else is they use natural products. So they're vegan products, and also they're cruelty free. So they're not tested on animals. So that's their big kind of USP. They also use a lot of science with these types of natural products, and they're one of the first people that look at things like anti-aging, because you can actually have anti-aging in the hair. So not only just anti-aging on your face, exactly, and now they have it on the hair, because hair grows old as well, so to stop it aging. Also dandruff, it looks at anti-breaking, and there's a lot of just keeping the hair nice and conditioned. So they're looking at these kind of natural products to help with that. So you can see that's quite a good USP, with everything moving into kind of more healthy lifestyles, vegan. So having vegan products as well to put on your hair will probably be quite a catch. So we'll look at some of the products here, mainly focusing on hair. Here we go, some oil intensives. Beads, hairspray. So it's, all around the hair, all about making the hair beautiful, all about repairing damaged hair or reducing dandruff. So most people join this to make some money because it's a business opportunity. So how would you make some money? So firstly, let's just say to join, first of all, as a starter pack, it's $99. You get a starter pack which includes some of their products, and it's got some information on how to market it. Marketing it, you'll probably be using a site like this, so it'll be used, because when you want to join, if you try to join here, so join now, you've got to put your marketing partner, so that's the person who referred you. So if you are marketing it, they'll give you your link to this site, and if somebody came, they'd have to put your name in, so anything they bought, you'd be making some commissions on it as well, and if they decided to join the opportunity, you'd be making some money. So that leads us very nicely onto how you make some money from this. There's 2 main ways to make money from it. It's selling the products. Now, if you sell their products, they sell them to you cheaper, you sell them on for a higher price, and you can make a commission on them for up to 40%. So that's quite good in this industry. If I looked at some of the other similar competitors, and that's a really good price range, 40%. But it's just that you're selling quite low price products. So say you're selling something at $40, you're making $16. So it depends how much money you really want to make. You've got to sell quite a big volume to make real money if you're just selling the products. The other way to make money is recruiting other people. So recruiting other people to become distributors as well themselves. That's where you make the majority of the money. You make some of that commission that they sell. You also get bonuses for building a downline of people that you've recruited in. So that's where the main bulk of the money is made. If you become what they call VIP and you promote encourage other people to be VIPs, you make some of the money that they have to pay to become VIPs. So that's where you make the biggest amount of money. But that there is where most people struggle, because there you need to be quite a good marketer, or you need to be quite charismatic, because the way you're going to make money from this is if you've got a salon or you've got a shop, bonus. You can just put it in your shop or in your salon, and that's just an extra way of selling it. People are going to buy products from you anyway. But those that don't have to do things like home parties, or you have to hustle. You have to be able to talk to cold call strangers and say to them, you know, listen, this product's going to be the best thing since sliced bread. And why I know that's difficult is because I've actually been in MLM companies myself. They encourage you, in the marketing material, they're going to encourage you to build what they call a warm list. This is a list of friends and family that you believe that you can tell about this opportunity or about these products and who will buy off you. And some of them will. Your friends or family are probably going to buy something off you because they're excited that you're doing something new. They might not become a distributor because they're probably not natural entrepreneurs like you. You know, but then when that is exhausted, your warm list, then your sponsor or your partner will then say to you, well, then just tell everybody, anyone you see, any woman with nice hair, tell her about these amazing products. So you're out there now chasing, cold calling people. You know, I just remember back in the day, people used to see me coming and they'd run the other way because they'd think, okay, here he comes with his opportunity and he just won't stop banging on about it, because I was hustling. And it's just really hard to do that. You need to learn how to market. You need to learn how to become a marketer, because once you can market, people then find you. People find your videos, find your articles, and then they want to, these people that are finding you, they're already interested in this. So then you don't need to hard sell anyone. If I've already come to you and told you I'm interested in being a Monat distributor, then you don't have to hard sell me. I'm already interested. You just show me exactly where I need to go and exactly what I need to do and how you can help me. Yeah, but that's where most people struggle. Only 5% of people will really be natural marketers, will be charismatic enough to have a home party and invite people in, and every month maybe have a more home party and make enough money to make this thing work, or to get more distributors in, or you know, regularly. Most will struggle. Most will struggle to make a little bit of money here and there. So this is where I think these sort of things fall down. It's on the marketing side. So that's why, me personally, when I recommend people to a system that cuts all of this out. You don't have to be the best marketer in the world. As long as you can copy and paste, that's your job. So, you know, that's why my number one recommendation is not things like this. And if you're interested in knowing what that is, I'll leave a link below this video. You can click over and you can watch a completely free video and just see if it's for you, because it cuts out all of this sort of being able to be a top marketer, being able to know how to cold call and all this sort of stuff. All right. So if that's something of interest to you, I'll leave links below this video. But that being said, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please take the time to like it, and also, you know, share it with anyone else you believe will get some value from it as well. If you have any questions, any comments at all, you can leave it in the comments box below, and I'll personally answer the comments myself. All right. Once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, take care. Speak soon. All the best.